Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We have now got issue 91 of Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. So we're carrying on from yesterday where we've done issue 90. It's been a whole day for you, but it's straight away for me because I've literally just finished filming issue 90. And yeah, I've put the Terminator down on the floor. So yeah, we don't actually need him in this issue. So yeah, let me show you what we're doing. So these are the parts that we get here. So we're just making a piston part, and we get to collect the part for the foot as well. So issue 91, I guess you can see, still got the screws from issue 90 there. So let's open this up. So all we're doing is adding some glue around there. That's then getting pushed into there. This is going all the way through, coming out the other end. And applying glue on that part, pushing that in, and then we've got these two parts ready. Very, very simple issue. So yeah, just make sure you've got your glue handy for this one. Our sci-fi cinema legends, continuing on from yesterday where it was Avengers Infinity War, today it's Avengers Endgame. And also continuing on from yesterday is our real world science, which is Satisfaction Guaranteed Part 2. And coming up next time, we collect the knee joint, tendon and foot parts to continue work on the left leg. Yes, this one should be quite quick. So yeah, let's get the parts open, start building. Okay, so we've got the parts out of the packaging. As you can see, we get the part of the foot here. So this is the top half of the foot, I believe. And yeah, we still need to get the bottom half. This is plastic, as well as all these parts. So we're not going to do anything else with this. We can basically just put this away. We're going to be working with these four parts here. So we're going to start off with these two. So we're going to need to get some glue, which I've got here, just some regular super glue. I'm just going to run a bead all the way around the inside of there. And let that run round. Just like so, and I can take that, and that is going this side. Take that, push that in, and that ain't going to go anywhere now. Now we can take this side, drop it through, come all the way through just like so. Then the last thing to do is just take this and apply some glue just like we did with the other side, and run a little bead all the way around. Like so, and we can take this, push it together, and there we are. That's one of the piston joints all made up, ready to be installed. But we don't actually install this today. So with that, this is what you should have, is these two parts left over, and we're going to carry these over to issue 92. Which, if you missed it at the start of the video, is we collect the knee joint, tendon and foot parts to continue work on the left leg. As you can see, there's the parts there. So there you go guys, that is issue 91 all complete, and yeah, we're on to issue 92 now, so I need to pop to the news agents, pick that one up, and we'll have that one out tomorrow. So if you like this video guys, please leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care, bye bye.